What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig. Sorry about the late update today. As you guys know, I'm building a house. And for those of you that say when Bitcoin goes up, you don't make videos, blah, blah, blah. Well, on the days when Bitcoin goes down and I don't make videos, you don't say anything. Well, if you guys would have sold the top and not been buying the top, and I'm talking to those smart asses that say stupid crap all the time, you would probably be building a house too, because you would actually have money to do so. But anyways, I have to be there certain times for certain things. So just like yesterday, I got up really early just to make one before. I didn't get up in time today. Anyways, I have a life, guys. I'm doing stuff. So this huge big rally we're going to take a look at right now, and nothing has changed in the macro view. As you guys know, if you watch the channel, I shorted last time we were at 17.4 I'm 17.9 to 18.4. I laddered in. I'm still in those shorts. I'm adding more to those shorts here, and I'm going to show you why. So just to get this video out, to get these whiners and just whack jobs off my back, I'm going to make a quick video. I will try to make a video tomorrow morning. If I don't, it will be in the afternoon. I don't care if Bitcoin's going up or down. I'm going to make the video as soon as I can. So here it is. Same thing, looking for 35 to 4,500 middle or end of June. Now, I talked about this being a possible, once this weekly RSI broke, that could be the false bottom. Is that where we're at right now? Is this the false bottom? Possibly. Even if it is the false bottom, I still believe we have a lower low, right? And if you look on the weekly where we're getting rejected right now, the 21 EMA. So the 21 EMA is around 19,275, right? If we get above that and get support, then our next big area of interest is around this 25,000. Now, as you guys know, the only thing that invalidates this chart for me is the 55 EMA. Let me say this one more time. The only thing that invalidates this Amazon compared to Bitcoin chart, which is not a fractal, it is a bubble pop pattern to wash out all the shit coins and scams, which I do believe is not over, and there's a lot more to get washed out. BNB being one of my biggest ones, I think is going to be a catalyst to a big leg down. So the 55 EMA, if that's crossed, that invalidates this whole chart. And as of right now, that's at around 25.8. Until then, still expecting lower lows. And another thing, if we do cross that, I'll probably buy in. And then people will say, well, you missed buying in down here. Well, I didn't buy in up here and all the way down with the moon boys screaming on every bounce that we were going to go to the moon. And all these people just kept buying in. Well, even if I buy down here, I still bought a lot cheaper than all you guys following the moon boys, right? But I highly doubt we get there. We have to get above the 55 EMA to invalidate this chart. Even so, it is the safest bet if you're looking for a long-term position to buy in is when you cross the 55 EMA on the weekly. You see, once you cross, even though it crossed here, it went back down a little bit lower. But once you crossed over here, right, that was a good place to buy in. Still could go lower. It's just safe to buy once you're above the 55 EMA. We are way below it, way below it. We're still below the 21 EMA on the weekly also. I still think it's going to play out something like this here. Let's take a look at the other thing I want. This is the .com bubble on the left, Bitcoin bubble on the right. This is needed, guys, to wash out the scams, to wash out the shady ass people, to wash out all the garbage, which is 99% of crypto. I still stick to that. You look right here. Right here. This was January of 01, right? January. The end of January. We're at the end of January. There's not much difference here, guys. It's still just another pump. We get one more leg down before the false bottom and then continue on. Still playing out just as it did on here. What you guys need to understand is if you're emotional, you're going to get absolutely slaughtered in this market. Just like, let me go back to this chart here, the weekly, right? Let's get all this stuff off here just to show you guys something. Do you see this? You see this little candle? A lower low, right? It's just a lower high, right? And here's that bullish divergence everybody's talking about. We're right here on the weekly. Just want to set some of this stuff straight, guys. These trolls are irritating. Anyways, if you see, we have a lower low right here, right? Lower low. And then we had a higher low, bullish divergence. Well, what did it get? It got just a little blip up and back down, because what we're making is hidden bearish divergence, which is a continuation of the trend. We're making higher highs in the RSI, which is the RSI resetting for more room for the downside, right? If this was true to the price would be way up here, but it's not. We are making higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, hidden bearish divergence. Continuation of the trend. The trend is down. Guys, there is no trend reversal here yet. None. There is zero trend reversal. You're getting a little bump here. You got a bunch of these little bumps all the way over here. There's nothing to get excited about, guys, unless you cross this 55 EMA on the weekly. This is not a reversal. The bottom is not in. This is the Amazon overlaid over on the Bitcoin chart. And I showed you guys this 20K. I think it's a good possibility, and I still stick to that we don't cross the 20,000 mark again until 2025. If this chart plays out like this, it's still intact, guys. Before we go into the smaller time frames, if you guys are interested in trading, check out Prime XBT, by far my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. You can use my promo code SAVVY50. It'll get you up to a $7,000 bonus. SAVVY25 will get you 25% off your fees. Link is down below. I also have a tutorial on my YouTube page. Check it out. Let's look at this too. Same thing. As you guys know, we were watching this as an descending triangle. We did get back above the bottom of the triangle. So is it invalidated? You could say that if we end up closing up here, which we have an hour left. So chances are we'll close above that 18.6. If we close below it, we could just consider that a bull trap and then continuation back to the downside from there. But if you look here, we put this, let me get this out of the way just so you can see it. Same thing right here, right? So we have lower highs, right? All right, lower highs. Is this high lower than this high? Yep. Higher highs. Hidden bearish divergence, guys. This RSI just made a bunch of room to go to the downside. Yeah, this just because we get a little pump in the markets, guys, these are traps. These are all liquidation or liquidity grabs. I explained that way back here when I made this chart back in December, on December 2nd of 2021. We talked about this. I showed you what it would look like with a big dump and then every little pump. Everybody gets super excited thinking that was the bottom. It's going to an all-time high, only to make a lower low. Then they wish they would have sold up here, right? And then it pumps again a little bit and they don't sell. And then it drops lower and they wish they'd have sold. And then it pumps again and they don't sell. Tons of opportunities missed to get the hell out, just like is happening in Bitcoin, guys. It's the same pattern. It is a pattern. It is a bubble pop pattern. There were a lot of scams that had to get washed out over here. And a lot of people over leveraged, a lot of banks, a lot of, hedge funds over leveraged. They all got crushed here, just like is happening in Bitcoin. And each little pump is enough to give them hope that the bottom's in when it's not in. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys for your daily dose of reality. Anyways, I will be doing my update tomorrow morning, hopefully. If not, it's only because I didn't get up early enough. So anyways, here's my update. Hope you enjoyed it. If not, sorry, but smash those likes if you did. Leave your comments down below. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day.